Hi guys, hello everyone. Let me show you the Cursova app. Okay, so I have just put the timer here because it will allow me only 3 minutes. So I need to or I have to take a cut after the 3 minutes. Okay, so let me show you the app. You can see here the suggestion is given. So let me just click on the cross button and let me show you. So next thing is the dashboard. The dashboard is the progressive statements will be here. Your use after using it, your numerics will be here, and next thing is your courses. So let me clear you, this tool is made for, as the name is showing about this tool is made for courses. You're creating your created courses, or you can use the done for you courses. Inside front end you will be given also some done for you courses. You can use them to just build your own Udemy or your own Skillshare, anything like course building platform. Okay, so you can click on add new course, or you can use it for buying a new course. So inside this you need to go through the whole step and then you can launch your new course, but I don't want to do so for this video, to just not to waste the time. If you want to know that, you need to get this tool, like you need to use this tool. Okay, this tool is totally self-discoverable and there are so many options and features given inside this tool. That is why I am just avoiding to touch them. Okay, so next thing is the new article inside blog section. So you can add your new article and everything will be hosted on their website, so you don't need to think about any hosting or domain you need to purchase, but you don't need to think about any hosting. Okay, next thing is the get traffic. Your social campaign from social media, you can get traffic and you can do SEOs. Like you are launching a course building platform, so you have to have a proper ranking facility. You need to rank inside Google, so that is why this SEO stuff is given. You can also run advertisement on your website, and that is all. Like pretty much your members list, like who wanna launch their course inside your website, they can be your members, your library, and your ticket and bonuses. Okay, so that is the thing. And if you want to get this tool, you need to pay $45 to $48 for the normal or the for single version. You need to pay the $45. So this is the $45, the starting pack, and for the commercial $47. And for the for this launch period, you can get this commercial at 11% discount. You can use this coupon code. Okay, so these are the stuffs that is given inside this commercial version, not in this start version. So that is the thing I want to say. And now let me show you the bonuses. So now bonuses means, let me show you that these are the bonuses. Now you're watching on the screen, so these all bonuses will be given to you instantly with this tool, totally in an automatic way. From every field I have tried to give you the bonus, and I don't think anyone is giving you this kind of bonuses. And there are some vendor bonus also. So these are the vendor bonus. These bonuses will be given to you from the vendor, but the vendor has given to me to give you, not you will be given the directly from the vendor. You need to go through any of the affiliates, not only me, any of the affiliates you need to go through, then you will be given the vendor bonus. And apart from that, there is upsell bonus. If you are satisfied with the content, you may want to get the upsell. So on that case, I have put here, I call it as mega bonus. So mega bonus is stuffed with 400 plus stuffs, with this kind of stuffs, and that will be given to you instantly with this tool. So next thing is, you can click on any of the buttons on this page to just visit the sales page. This is the professional or official page of this tool, and from this tool you can get the product. If you have any query, just don't forget to use this orange written stuff to ask me anything. And I'm Chan, signing out for this video. Have a good day. Thank you and bye bye.